But believe me, there's no sensible person who will just switch in to watch your stupidity when they can go and make sense somewhere. Nobody will do that. Oliver says they want to get this $50,000 from this billionaire. The foundation was established by an American billionaire. His name is George Soros, who has in the past supported the Black Lives Matter movement. See, this man, he is pure white. Bronifitaya uno hungry, white man. Onumpo onyadajie shedaki ojan biti so Oliver Osheno. Eno man 50,000. Say often konkwaya fix the country. Bronio. Not only say wabwa Oliver Mpo, even Black Lives Matter, no, he cares about it. Now let me ask, how many foundations has a celebrity like Stephen Apiana, Afra Kosiano friend, Kevin Taylor see your bonny dear and hallelujah and so soon. Stephen Apia, how many foundations? No, I'm honestly asking, how many foundations does he have? And what does his foundation do? This man is white. So even let's say Stephen Apia has 5 foundations, he ain't done shit because this man is white. He doesn't have to give a fuck about black. But white man, we were my and all that so what it be before more one team. Yeah, celebrities, ne dear no more. Yeah, kasa ye celebrities so fix the country numunarano. Mutumi bragia na ubeka say you people wash your hand with champagne. You brag. You get Kevin Taylor who say, oh, I will pay this person who show you. You won yedi. You Kevin, you can afford. Messi, that guy insulted you by being silent, and I now understand. But now I know can you afford to pay somebody? Can you? This George Soros, he was born in 1930, hungry, pure white man, Hungarian, pure white man. Oh, this party is on. No, I don't like that. Why are you with them? That's one. No. I wasn't saying aging demi. Hey, only David. Shake him. It is because you are mad that I am not going to pay you any mind. It's because you are sick. You are literally incoherent. That is why I will not pay you any mind. Okay? Now, the next time you think, say, you have anything to say, please do yourself a favor and let somebody try and teach you some words in English, translate it for you so that I can come to my level because, baby, I would feel bano. Jimmy, dear mommy, dodo, I can't see myself go fight someone in a gutter. You are beneath the gutter. You are the trash in the cans that you collect. A group of researchers have found that direct and prolonged exposure.
Social media phobia omon feriade. Any journalist phobia omumbu omo. Omon te amembu ase. A starte sorry so almost omo beka amembu sem. My question to the friend and anaba namwa, Madam Tuno girl, or no nimbi bia, Madam Dubai connection woman, Tihamame. Politics is not about putting on makeup, wearing fancy clothes, and speaking unnecessary slangs on TV. Let me tell you that. Let me take that again. Somebody tell Nanaba Namwa, say, politics is not about putting on makeup, putting on a lipstick or a lip gloss or say wearing expensive clothes and sitting on TV and radio. Oh, boy, when it say oh slang, that is not politics. Because some of you people, you are the main reason why. You are the main reason why politicians are getting away with all the evil stuff they do. Somebody like Nana Banamwa, when it comes to talking about politics, she was there talking about, oh, the way someone make us say, hey, Mahama, let me tell you something. Your family, your boy, yeah, Nana Banamwa, if you don't know what politics is, politics is continuous. Okay, it is a continuity. It is a DB Jow. Nasa when to me and Shesuye, Nasa dear no ko baby a enya. It is only right we point it to you, say, Nana Banamwe, some move we are, Nkwsiafuo move. These days, me back from Ghana, and I imagine say, cause some of you no me jamu, but mama me who say, Nyansan kasa your friend Nyansano, maton bibia dia yeska. Politics is not about putting on the fancy clothes and sitting on TV and talking just what you don't understand. It goes deeper than that. Nana Banamwa. It's not about checking on people who are, I mean, how do you call it? People who are trying to be journalists, and then it is far more than that. Politics is not a joke. If politics was a joker, and Kamahama would have succeeded being the president. And yes, the constitution born hina, the ayami a she woman is sister Cynthia. Almost sorry, omubu bena kakraka, yana no mubu bena kakraka chreyen. But the ayade bene yene die, and person nipam, they would only interpret the beno if it only favors them. Somebody should tell Nana Banamwa that before Nana Nkwsiafuo came onto the presidency, there was a manhole, and ya dege ediaguo. And for you to be on the level playing field, you need to fill all the vacuum now. You are supposed to fill all of it to the level where it's supposed to be. And sana, ube to me build it, baby, I build it. And I want Nana Banamwa to IMF conditionality. Now, if she has any ounce of shame in her, she should come on her platform. She should go on GH1 and tell people what policy credibility of a country means. Since you guys don't want us to say, Mahama is the cause, we want you, Nana Banamwa, Madam I know it all, Madam Brofosem, come and tell the whole Ghanaians, say, Ansa na President Akufo-Addo Ubano, na Ghana your economy neshe. Charlie, these days, yeah, my mama may say populist bullshit way no obi wo. Ya beba be pam ho ntoma wo. Ya be ro mo ho, ya be strip mo naked man crofo etie mu an say mo ye shallow. Especially Ghana journalists. Over 85% of you and some phony sikatan time and am open in Ghana. Because someone say 2 years beba. Ghana there abayne sesa. Enti now all of a sudden obi akoke bia ma NDC now. My question to Nana Banamwa say, before Nana Nkwsiafuo came into government, where was Ghana's economy? Where was the constitution of Ghana? Where was the legal and all the frameworks that makes up Ghana? Where was it? Was it there already? And Nkwsiafuo by Naba. Let's try to be honest and deal with things as they're supposed to deal with things. And stop showing our ignorance and our stupidity to the very people that give us the audience to listen to us. Nana Banamwe, again, me so say, politics is not about putting on makeup, having the biggest human weave on, and then just sitting down and talking trash about things you don't understand. Please. As for me, I don't do Nkwsiafuo politics. No, I don't do that. Nkwsiafuo politics nene den. Nkwsiafuo politics nene say unim no kre na ubekata weni just to favor what you are looking for to lie. Especially when you are a journalist, it's even more stupid.